My child, I think it is time to light up.
Something like this? Oh wow, I'm an angel now.
Yes, but can you do that in drawing?
No, I can't. Please teach me.
Come, child, don't be scared. It is time to learn.
Alright, let's go. Lighting is the most important part in any visual media. Okay, be it film, be it animation, be it photography, be it drawing or painting, or be it anything. Light exists everywhere and it is the most important part of our life. It is because of light that we can see what we can see, that we can see the world around us. That is why in art, it is essential to learn what exactly is light and how does light works. Alright, so pay attention. I'm gonna keep it simple, so don't go anywhere, right? Okay, so what exactly is light? Okay, as you know, or maybe you don't know, everything in this world exists in darkness. So light exists because of something called as fusion. So when two atoms are colliding with each other or fusing with each other, they generate heat, and that heat releases something called as electromagnetic radiation. And the light that we see is actually the electromagnetic radiation that the heat radiates. So remember that. So whenever you see light, remember that something is colliding with each other. Alright, so when light hits an object, it illuminates the object, and because of that light shining onto that object, it creates something called as a light area and a shadow area. And thus that light goes into our eyes and reaches our retina, and the retina then tells the brain, and thus we can see light. Okay, now why light is important? Without it, we cannot see or understand anything, right? We cannot comprehend the world that is around us. So that is why lighting is important. Without proper understanding of lighting, the art doesn't look good or believable. So look at this Samsung Sam painting that I did back in, I think 2021. Okay, and as you can see that I didn't have a proper understanding of how light works and how shadows are generated. Okay, so that is why this thing doesn't look as believable as it could have looked if I have made that painting right now. So that is why understanding of lighting is most important. Lighting also allows us to play with shapes and colors. It also allows us to have a sense of drama and to also tell a story. Okay, so it is often used in storytelling. Most films and most photography stuff do that, and it is heavily used in animation and art too. So I'm gonna show you some examples of artists who use light as a medium for storytelling. Okay, so first one is Guez. See how he has used that lighting to illuminate her in the mirror instead of illuminating her backside. Okay, so everything is dark except for the mirror, except for the front of her and the mirror part. Now that is how you tell a story. Okay, it can be as simple as this. All right, this is like very simple. These are just two values together. Okay, one is light and the other one is dark. Okay, even in this, everything else is dark except for the telephone booth. Okay, so he has used that lighting to tell a story that she's calling someone and that she's probably very much in trouble. She has blood on her dress, she is wanted, and yeah, it tells a story. Okay, so he has used that lighting to tell a story. Okay, and the second artist is NEM. He uses lighting everywhere, literally everywhere. So in this scene, the light is coming from the window and he has used that light to tell that she is captured or something, I don't know, but it creates a sense of drama in the scene, that lighting, that dramatic lighting. Okay, so yeah. Okay, even in this drawing, he has used a lot of lighting to tell a story that someone is standing over here and the guy sitting is looking at him. Okay, so the light tells the story that the guy is poor, that the guy has some sort of, I don't know, maybe some sort of problem or something, or maybe someone is visiting him. Alright, he has written unexpected visit. So yeah, this is like incredible work, man. So lighting is very important in telling a story. Even if there is no color and everything is in light and shadow, it still can be used to tell a lot of story. And storytelling is especially how do you say it, powerful when lighting is used. All right, so yeah, focus on lighting and you'll be a god. Check out both of these artists, man. It is like too good. Okay, and that's done. In the second part, I will cover up types of lighting: ambient lighting, key lighting, rim lighting, and fill lighting, etc. So subscribe for that, so that you do not miss out the videos. Okay, and yeah, join the Discord and support me on Patreon. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.
You there? Subscribe and join the Discord and support me on Patreon. Goodbye.